Good morning. Today the day first for your training, and today we discuss some terminology. Meaning of the some word is important in our cyber world in telecommunication world. Okay. So the first directly go for one some term for you. The most important term is the telecom versus IT services. Okay. Second is that intelligent devices, and third is that smart devices. Okay. So today in this session we discuss meaning and practical meaning of these terms. What is the meaning of telecom? What is the meaning of IT services? What is the meaning of intelligent device and smart devices? Okay. So earlier in the old time, starting of the communication, we only transmit our wires to each other. Until time we have lucky to know about uh, telecommunication by dialing to each other and communicate to each other directly via the wires also. But upcoming scenario and currently also all people communicate to each other via the only WhatsApp, Facebook, other platforms. Okay. So in this new platform, this is also telecommunication. Old telecommunication, that is the simply traditional telecommunication, is simply transmission to each other via not too much additional thing. But day by day, some additional feature like SMS, like fax facilities add on this telecommunication system. But in the today scenario, telecommunication completely migrate on the new services. This is known as IT services. IT services is nothing. It is the simple involved. The new version of telecommunication is known as IT services. In IT services, we transmit each other uh, w- via multimedia communication like Zoom. Zoom is the also IT services. In this, you can very easy understand in Zoom communication, my voice, my pictures, my computer's desktop is also shared at the same time. This is also type one types of communication. This is a modern communication. So you can say this is the new types of communication. In other words, the new version of telecommunication is known as IT services. For IT services, what required? Hardware and software. You are very well known. So keep in the mind, the IT services is nothing, simply the new version of telecommunication. Okay. Now, next is the intelligent device. First, again, he write in the simple form. The new version of telecom is known as IT services. Okay, so keep in the mind that's nothing. For IT services, you are well known. We required hardware and software like computer, like a smart device. So what is the meaning? Next is intelligent devices. Okay. So for example, intelligent device. Versa, first ask some question. Give the answer first.
Okay,
You are
sir.
you go to the market
Hmm.
and purchase a fan. Okay, are you know
Hmm.
fan? Okay, so market shopkeeper just welcome to you and tell you we have three types of fan. Okay, one
Hmm.
fan is the simple fan, second fan is the intelligent fan,
Hmm.
and third is the smart fan.
Hmm.
So you just tell me what is difference between the simple fan and intelligent fan.
Yeah.
First is what you just tell me कि if you purchase a simple fan, normal fan.
Normal fan is uh like switch.
Yes.
Hmm, uh, while intelligent fans like something using sensors or
Are you intelligent? First tell me. So just leave these questions about the fan. Simply I ask
okay.
about you. Are you
Okay.
yes or no? Are you
Yes.
yes, why?
Yes.
Yes, why you tell you are intelligent?
Uh, um,
Why human is still intelligent? ठीक है ना? Just tell me. Human
yeah.
is intelligent. Why? Because you are telling you are intelligent. So why human tell is intelligent? Just tell me.
They are able to do the things. Uh, uh,
Because very simple. This is a very simple.
okay.
Any human intelligent, yeah, anything of the world, not only human, anything.
Mm,
It
mm,
also applicable to animals, also applicable to birds, and also applicable to devices. The very
um,
simple answer. Ki- If anything have minimum two things, that is the sense, and second is the memory.
memory.
You have the both things. I
Mm,
what I telling you can sense, you can
and
remember.
memory.
That means ki you are intelligent. Depend on
Yes.
the gods. Your sense will be high, your memory is high, both is high. So you are
Mm,
extra intelligent. Okay. If one
mm,
thing is missing, okay. So in here in North India, if one thing is missing, so I just tell to people and student and guy that is the half mind. In
okay.
South is okay. Yes, some people are telling he is half mind. No,
No.
but in North India is a very popular. If anybody not properly responds anything, so just in the common people, each and everyone tell ki that guy is the half mind. That means either his sense is nothing, either his memory is missing. Okay.
Mm, okay.
Okay. So in the normal fan, there is nothing. In the normal fan, normal a simple fan. Okay. No, everything is manual. Everything is manual. Okay.
Mm,
Power up, power, speed, rotation, each and everything is the manual because there is no sensor, there is no memory chip in the normal fan. Okay. Now in the intelligent fan, some chip available in the fans and you can control by the remote. Okay. Sense and memory. Okay. If in fan, second in the fan, use chip and and chip content. Chip में what content? Sensor,
sensor.
yes, and plus memory devices. So by this you can control by the fan fan features जो हो गया है features by remote intelligent fan remote. Okay. In your in your home you have television. So how to change your television channel by the remote? Ne? So
Yes.
you have your home television system. That is the today each and every one by default minimum intelligent system will be available at each and every home. Example is the television. By the remote channel, you can power supply on off the television system. You can change the channels. You can increase the volume. So that is the intelligent because there is memory chip available in your television system. Simply in intelligent fan, memory chip and sensor both is available, so you can everything control power, speed, rotation of the fan by the remote. So that fan is the uh, intelligent fan. Now the next sense is the smart devices. What is the smart devices? So again question for you. You are intelligent, no doubt. As by default you have sense and memory. I am also intelligent because I have sense and memory. But
Yes.
now my next question, are you a smart? Intelligent, okay.
Yeah. Smart.
Why?
Uh, smart. Uh,
It is
I.
definitely a smart is minimum at least intelligent will be available. Okay. Plus
Yes.
Okay.
Plus communication.
Yes, yes, yes. That is the communication. A smart city, a smart building, a smart home, a smart fan. That fan capable to connect by the internet. That is a smart fan.
Hmm.
If you connect to internet in across the world, any place, any location, you can control your fan power supply speed rotation. In the intelligent, you locally you can control, but in a smart across the world, you can control every place, any place of the world. Okay. Now the next is that this is a smart city, a smart home, a smart building. That means ki in a smart home, for the example, in a smart home, each and every your door, your fan, your tube light, each and everything connect to the internet. That is a
Internet.
smart home. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Upcoming time is IoT, Internet of Things. That is nothing. It is simply Internet of Things is the that nothing is the simply uh,
Connect.
a smart every device will be connect to the internet.
Internet.
Yes, yes. And upcoming mobile communication, any types of telecommunication is known as the 5G era. Okay, 5G era means in 5G that is not related to speed. Speed in 4G is the sufficient. In the 5G, high each and everything connect to the internet. Okay, so that is upcoming time. Now we go for one PPT. Just one more thing is that in the your batch starting the 12 July, so I asked there some question. Even two people is standing at the Bagha border. Bagha border, this is the most popular border India and Pakistan. So there
Hmm.
are two people is standing at the Bagha border. One is Indian and another is the Pakistani. Okay.
Hmm.
So in this case, if Indian calling to Pakistani, either Pakistani calling to Indian people. So what is the communication path?
Mm.
Yeah, suppose it is big question. Okay, so each question will extend the next session. But simply I ask you at your home, you have
Hmm.
mobile phone. Okay,
Yeah.
in
Hmm.
both in your hand. Okay, if
Hmm.
you calling one phone to another phone, so what is the path?
Hmm.
Any idea?
No idea, sir.
No idea.
Hmm.
Don't worry.
No.
Are you able to see my PPT screen?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
For these two questions, we give the answer by this PPT. Okay. This
Okay.
is the real network of telecommunication, either internet network. You can say telecommunication network, either data network. Earlier is telecommunication line, but today this telecommunication line is known as the internet line. Internet line is not separate line. It is just modification of the old telephone line in the new network. ठीक है, name is nomenclature is changed, line is the same. Again repeat, telephone line modification name is the telephone line is known as the data line, either internet line. This is not separate line, it is the same line because the new version of telecommunication is known as IT services. Okay, so just for this question, answer for this question, we just go for some PPT, help of the PPT. You just forget what you have your knowledge, just starting from the basic, just starting from the initial level. So in this regard, one telephone exchange,
Hmm.
BSNL, you can nearby a lot of BSNL telephone exchange, each and every after some distance is available. So
Hmm.
if you go any telephone exchange, so by default in traditional telephone exchange, what is minimum rooms, yeah, section is available. Keep in the mind, we discussed the most important section is known as the switch room. Look like this switch room is the some AC room, some people, some guy uh, in AC room working with the computer, no other outsider allowed in this room. One room is the MDF room. This is the MDF room. In this MDF room, uh, this is the only wire, nothing. MDF room, if you go visit MDF room, so you just find out wire and wire. Okay. Next is that power supply unit. Power supply unit have the three part. One is the battery. At your home, when power is cut, so what you have option? You have option the inverter. If power cut, your load become on your battery. Okay. And when power main supply is restored, your again it remove from load from battery. But in any organization, not only telephone exchange, any organization, if required 24-hour without any interrupted power supply, uninterrupted power supply. So that means ki, mechanism is the similar each and every at your home. Otherwise, organization all are similar. So there is the in telephone exchange, there is the three portion is available for power communication. One is the main supply. When mains is fail, then complete load become on the battery. But we can't wait for restoration of the main supply. So in this, we additional uh, alternator या generator facilities for this power supply till restoration. Okay, so there is a combination of any organization 24 hours power supply. One is the battery room, one is the main supply, and another is the generator room. If main supply is failure, automatically load become on battery, and after 3 or 5 minute 5 minute again starting the generator, your complete load go to the generator. Again mains restore, mains is a restoration, then again load on again mains. So this cycle is available for any organization where is the 24 hours power supply required. Okay, and another room is the this another is the transmission room. Okay, so in any telephone exchange we go, so definitely this minimum part we can see, section you can see. Okay, so now first we go for what is the meaning of local call and trunk call. Okay, so in the local call, just earlier and today, the most important media is copper wire. Copper wire not in the pure form, it is the alloy form. Okay, so we discussed in the next session. First, just we see the path here, then we can discuss about media. So in landline, in case of the landline, this is a phone, and this copper wire in at your home. One box is look like this is the known as LGU line jack unit. This is a by default in the wall mounted may be possible. Otherwise, it is openly in available in your home. There is any phone in at your home, Harsa?
No, sir.
Landline phone is available at your home? Yes or no? No.
No, sir.
Okay, you have no idea about this. Don't worry. Here, this phone go. If anybody in today's scenario, the upcoming scenario, taking the landline communication, because landline communication is the most important communication, and upcoming future it not never remove, it is available. How? By name media will be converted in optical fiber in the current time. Okay, so this is this phone, this connect to the nearby your home, either a pole, DP. This DP either in nearby 5 to 6 home connected to the phone nearby. So maximum 5 to 10 phone you can connect this DP. So this all copper wire, and this all copper wire inbuilt one single cable and move it from exchange side. In electricity line, one single line is you can use either television, either phone, television, either fan, either AC supplied, tube light in the electricity line. But in the telephone line, each and every customer wire is different. So that means ki here five customers suppose. So here combination of five customer move in cable, five cable. So this is each and every customer separate cable here go for the exchange. So the next line we can move on exchange side. So this is the go for pillar. Pillar is nothing nearby 2 to 3 kilometer, all cables are combined here, and this move to the nearby cabinet. So cabinet is nothing. This capacity of the pillar around 500 customer, yeah, 500 wire here, combine here and move for exchange side. And in exchange side out, if you see such types of box, so definitely within 50 meter, you can think there is the one telephone exchange. Copper wire maximum distance 5 to 6 kilometer. So from starting of the communication and till time, use the copper wire is the most important media. And but length of the copper wire for communication only to 5 to 10 kilometer. Okay. So in this case, combination of these cables, each and every 5 kilometer radius, there one is the telephone exchange for VSNL. So now this exchange, this all wire just enter in the exchange side. This is MDF room. MDF room is nothing. Within the 5 to 6 kilometer, all landline customer wire here combined collectively, combine here is the in MDF room is the restore. Now there is the switch room. What is the switch room? Suppose a person A, a person is B, calling person A to B. B customer is also landline, A customer by default this is landline. So in this case, suppose customer B wire is also available in this MDF line. So all time, a lot of people here working. That is the telephone operator. This is known as the telephone operator. So if A person calling to B, so they manually connect to the A and B. So this is known as the switch. What is the meaning of the switch? Which is nothing. Temporary basis, two different customer connected to each other. It is known as switch. Okay. So if wire of the B is also available in this MDF, so that will be connect. This is the known as the local call. If wire is not B available, that is different mechanism will available. Use. So this is a local call. Again, same back. MDF, cabinet, pillar. This is the connector. Okay. So this is the local call. If somebody call, but wire is available is not in this MDF. So what happen in this case? Okay, this that means 5 kilometer each and every location there is switch room available, but it may be that some customer is not available in the same switch, same a telephone exchange, but in same city another telephone exchange. So how possible to connect to each other? So in this regard, again you can see trunk call. This is known as the trunk call if customer wire is not available in the same switch room, but in the same city another switch room. So what possibility? This is the connectivity of the suppose is the similar A, B, pillar, LGU, cabinet, MDF switch room. Earlier operator, then will be electronic switch, and upcoming time this is the IP switch. Current in this time this switch is known as IP switch. But this wire connection is the earlier to told more than 160 year of telecommunication history. Okay, so this wire is not to change. This wire is available in a till time to current time also. And in future is also only just replace this wire by the optical fiber. So this telephone exchange connected to the in each and every city one main telephone exchange will be there. This local telephone exchange connect to the direct customer, but in each and every city one main telephone exchange available. If you are live your city, if anybody your parent, if you ask to your parent where is the main telephone exchange, they easily able to say where is the main telephone exchange of your city. In Ghaziabad, LTTC Ghaziabad here, main exchange is the Rajnagar. In the same way, another place is the Meerut, main exchange the Shastri Nagar. So in the same your city, if you ask your parent where is the main telephone exchange, so they easily able to understand tell where is the main telephone exchange. Okay, so this from this they go to the main telephone exchange, and this wire is the optical fiber till from 1986. This is optical fiber. This is the main switch room. Detached switch This main switch room known as the DTAC, Digital Trunk Auto Exchange Switch. Okay, both switch are same, but this switch which customer, but this switch which telephone exchange he identify. Okay, this is another telephone exchange in the same city, so again they go for that telephone exchange switch and they will be connect to local call. So this is known as trunk call, STD, subscriber trunk dialing. Okay, so I asking to question to you, if you have two phone. Suppose today for this session, you have two landline phone in your at your home. If you calling from one phone to another phone, so definitely your phone movement is go for starting here in MDF and switch room. Okay, this is the same switch room, same wire. Return back MDF pillar cabinet. Then will be that right. Okay. So hi, hello in telecommunication is complete travel the complete path. Okay. So we will continue the same scenario tomorrow again 11 a.m.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it is possible you give the time in evening for half hour. Meant 8
Yeah, sir. No
8
problem.
8 p.m. to 8:30, 8:30 to 9 p.m. Half hour.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, because that time actually a morning it may be sometime actually I'm not here teacher, na? I am the working officer. So sometime morning a lot
Okay.
of our officer calling to my mobile phone, so it may be disturbed. But this time we no don't disturb and we can do. So if you able to,
Okay, sir.
oh, maybe okay. So again see you today evening again. Okay,
Okay,
8 to
sir.
8:30. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Thank
you. But I will just take
you.
this
Thank
30 minute only. Okay. But because you
Okay,
want
sir.
again review and what I say, understand, and we go ahead. And you simply ask the question, no problem. By
Okay,
chat,
sir.
chat medium, no problem. WhatsApp. Thank you.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.